EPLANT-Piping Basic tutorial. This video shows how to generate material reports from the database module. For each available information, a default report format is provided. As an example, let's see the project material that can be inspected from the original data option. Basically, we have two options: to browse the data, with the option to apply a filter. This is used for a fast revision. The other option is to generate a report to a file. In the specific case of the project material only, several common filters are already in place. This option generates the report of a line with each material quantity without summing them. That is, each 5 segments with their length. This one is the same, but for whole 3D models. This one generates the report of a line with total quantities. In the advanced tutorial, each one of these options is explained in detail. Let's select this option. Now we select the line to report. All but only one option of the previous menu, each report can be generated to a text and XLS format files. Let's see the text format. In both cases, we'll see this window where the active report format is informed, because more than one format could be available for each data type, and also to modify this format or to generate a preview. In the advanced tutorial, each of these options are explained in detail. We define the output file name. And we open it. And this is its content. We generate again the same report, but to an XLS file. For this option to work, Microsoft Excel must be installed. Let's see the Modify Format option. From this window, we could modify the format, but also generate a preview of the first lines of the report. We exit this window and generate the report. Here it is. For each information available in the database module, there is a default format already defined to generate the corresponding report. For example, for the status of 3D models. We already have seen piping materials. List of piping lines defined inside 3D models. List of equipments defined inside 3D models. List of equipment nozzle and all reference options. As an example, we generate the report of all piping classes. Here we are. This one is the A661 class. And this is another one. In fact, the best way to check a loaded class is to generate a report of this kind, with the descriptions associated to component codes and materials. All these formats can be changed, can be imported from other projects, and customized in the most convenient way.